What does it say? Turn it around so we can read it.
No, we do not this part.
This side.
No, I'm moving it.
No beads. What does it say? Say it louder.
No beads.
I want to hear it louder.
No beads.
One more time as loud as you can say it or I'm going to beat you to death.
No beads.
All right, you asked for it.
Oh God.
You all do it.
Now say it louder.
No beads. Oh. Stop. Okay.
Say it.
Oh.
Say it.
No beads.
I'll hit you and you take a picture.
Okay.
No. All right. No beads. No beads. Stop. Stop. Stop.
The belt!
Whip her with it.
That's no beads. Ava, that's enough. That hurts. Ah. Shut up. No beads. Cause got a nail. Cause got a nail. You're lucky my feet are hog-tied.
I'll hit you.
Don't even.
Don't you hit her with that. That'll hurt.
Turn that thing off right now.